Hi, Dee Clayton here from Simply Amazing Training. I've been using AI for a little while now. I'm not an expert and nor would I claim to be, but I know more than some of my clients who aren't using it at all. And that's the only reason I'm putting these videos together, is because if you aren't using it at all, then I do know more than you. But it doesn't need to be that way. I really want you to start using AI so that you can stay ahead, or at least not fall behind, because so many people are using this already. The longer you leave it to start using it and integrating it into your work life, you're going to get left behind, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So please, if you haven't already played with AI, please do so. And now you maybe have watched a few of my informal videos about it, then this one is on prompts. So prompts are the things that we write into the AI in order to ask it to do something. So let's ask, what are prompts in the context of AI chat? They're the instructions or questions that are provided. They give you context. They can be questions, instructions, or requests. They're well designed. They help the chatbot to stay on topic, allows the user to guide you. Over time, the chatbot can learn from the prompts, and different chatbots have different frameworks. And using skillful prompts is the key to creating pleasant, natural feeling conversations. And I agree with that. So great. So what are your top tips for writing great prompts? And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the techniques. So well, let's do it for now. Then we use some of the techniques it's told me to use and see what a different answer we get. So be clear and concise. Ask one question at a time, which is a good idea. I haven't even done that in my videos and it still understood me. Provide context and background, be specific, use natural language, avoid dead ends. So open questions are good. Start simple and then go on from there. Check for understanding. Follow up on responses to see if the chatbot answered adequately and understood your prompt correctly. Give feedback. Okay, that's good. And experiment and iterate. So keep going. If you don't get the answer you want to begin with, keep going. So one of the things, clear and concise, that something that I have been doing quite a lot is telling it the tone that I want to use. So answer the above. I think that tone above is actually very good. But answer the above as if you were explaining to a 4-year-old. See what it says. So what we want to do is get it more simple. Great. I quite like this actually. Okay, so it's explaining it in the way of a 4-year-old, so that's quite literal. So you could go answer the above in simple terms, but not childish. Because my prompt, it would do exactly as I wanted for my prompt, but my prompt was wrong really. So avoid ambiguity, experiment with different prompts. Yes, this is good. And I also think that does this concise but non-childish explanation help? Yes, it does. So let me know if you have any clarity. I love this extra stuff where it talks to you. So yes, it helps. Thank you very much. So what else might you say? Prompts. So there's so what prompts can I use when I'm asking you to write something, e.g. a blog? So I could say, please write a 300-word blog post about blah, blah, blah. This gives important information, yeah. Now, this tone and style, I think this is really important in your organisations. You might want to say in a business-like manner, or the target market is executives. So it's really important to get it right in your tone and manner, and you can teach it. So I've asked the chatbot before to go onto my website, tell me the tone of my website, and then use that tone to write something. And that's a really good outline for the beginning of an article or a blog. So here we are, what you want and brand voice. So that's really good tone. Here's some prompts. You can say how you want it written. You can also prompt about the level of detail. So let's do this. Please write a 300. Well, you'd probably want to write an email, for example. So please write an email. Please write an email in a business-like tone to apologise for a late delivery. Give it a go. See what it says. So obviously oh look, it's giving you 10% off your next order. So this could give you an idea of what you could write. You could give it some more information as to why your delivery was late, blah, blah, blah. But what I wanted to show you here is now write this in a friendly tone, or more friendly, in a friendly, informal tone. So this is the same letter, but instead of saying in a business-like tone, this is more formal. Hey there, here's what happened. So you can already see that this is much more casual than the first one. So you can do different tones for different emails, and I think then just knowing this might help you to write some better emails today. Definitely read it through. It's going to have errors. Don't copy and paste it and then send it. It could be terrible, but use this as a sort of outline to help you get started or to give you some ideas. I hope that helps with today's AI lesson for people who don't yet use AI all that much. Good luck with your playing around.